Hello, in front of me I've got HONOR X5c Plus. In this video I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working. In the beginning, make sure that airplane mode is disabled on your smartphone. Sometimes you can trigger this function by accident. Next, disable Wi-Fi, then enable it back. In next steps, you can go to Wi-Fi settings and now forget Wi-Fi connection, then connect again to the Wi-Fi. If this still didn't work, you can go to Wi-Fi settings, enable Wi-Fi Plus, and if this didn't fix the problem, there's one last thing we can do. Let's go to settings, system, reset options, and select reset network settings. This will fix all Wi-Fi problems. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.